Well, this is a bench kit I've just put together out of 2x4s. It's pretty simple. I think it was like 55 bucks. And it's not just a bench, it's a table too. So you can use it like a picnic table. You can buy 2 of these and make a giant picnic table. I'll show you what I mean. It goes up to 8 feet. I kind of put it together at night. First I was a little confused on one part of it because I didn't understand the hinge part. And you see how this goes up like that, right? What locks it in place is that. They snap in there. So once you push these in, the table's up there. So you can actually take 2 of these, take one and flip it around the other way, and have a long ass table, out to there, with the bench on this side too. And it's not that much money because I use pressure treated 2x4s. I painted them at night, and I probably need to repaint them again, and they're going to need to be repainted anyway, a couple times, but I wanted to get them painted before I assemble it, so they're painted underneath this part. I also, there's a siren coming by, obviously, but I also use clear coat, double high clear coat on the plastic. It might actually be a good idea to actually paint all the plastic and everything, because I think the one thing that really can go wrong with this is the plastic could degrade due to ozone. Yeah, to let that siren go by. It's another one of the morons that come down here to Florida for retirement to get victimized by the medical system. But, getting hauled away. Great. So, anyway, to me, if this was shorter, it would be more solid. You can see, I don't think it's going to break that easy, though. It's pretty solid. It would probably be better, though, if it had, then it would be expensive bench. But if you had 2 more of these, or say, for instance, you had 2 of these together, right, back to back, and you ordered another set of the middle part, and you put that part right smack in the middle here, that would further, it's not really that weak, but if you abused it, you could break it. So if you put another middle part in there, that would even be stronger. As far as the 2x4s being strong enough, yeah, they're pretty strong. You can, they're not really weak. But, I might actually get another 2 more sets of these things and make the other half, doing it back to back and like putting the middle ones in there too. Which is going to be kind of a pain in the ass to do after the fact, because I'll have to take one of these sides off, and or unscrew this side, then hammer it all the way over to the middle, and then put an end on it. I might do that. I might actually do that. If you make this about 6 feet long, they tell you the limit's 8 feet, and actually you could probably bring this over even a few more inches. I don't know if it makes much of a difference, but maybe that would, because well, if I sit on it. Yeah, it's good. It's good. But it can be made even stronger. As it is, though, it's not a bad deal. It's not a bad deal. What I like about it, though, is that it's not just a bench. It's a table. So if I want to put something on this damn thing and do something real quick, I can have it like this. I can flip it up like that, and normally for a little more room, I can have it like that. And if this is up against the wall, it ain't going to shake back and forth very easily, that's for sure. It's not really that loose, but, it would be stronger if it had one in the middle. But, then, again, if, this is like the limit to how long it's going to be. It's 8 feet is the limit. You can't make you can't use 10-foot or 10-footer 2x4s or 12-footers. 8 feet's the limit. And I could see that's about pushing the limit. But if you had one in the middle, so if you got 3 kits, you did 1, 2, 3 that way, and then you did 1, 2, 3 the other way, with a piece in the middle, and you had face to face. You got a nice large picnic table that is damn strong, actually. And if you use one strap, you use like some strapping metal or something like that to attach to one table to the other table underneath, that would tie everything in even better. And it's a strong puppy, man. It's a pretty damn strong puppy. For now, I'm going to bring it back over here in front of the El Camino, because if I need to use the El Camino, I could put the cat food over here, because I just got another load of cement blocks, 8 of them right there, for the bigger flagpole that is going up over here pretty soon, and that's for the base. That's for the base. So I just got to get the concrete. So if I use the El Camino, I can actually put the cat food on that bench. And but tonight I'll be digging out that hole some more, and I'm going to be using the cinder blocks along with cement and rebar as a basis for the pole, and where the hinge kit goes into with some rebar attached to it. So got a lot of work cut out for me still. That's why I try to get one thing done here and there. I was putting this up because of you know, it kept raining out. It's going to rain tomorrow, so tonight I'll be digging that hole more and more, and getting it ready. Yeah, I was kind of wondering how this thing flips up. It's just, you know, it's, I mean, there's a hinge here, obviously, right? But, a lot of wood. This thing, you got to push, you push this in, but actually this piece comes separate. You got to snap it in here, and then you install this, and then you screw the wood on there and stuff. But, yeah, it's a pretty strong puppy, that's for sure. Yeah, I like it. I like it. It's a well worth project. Not much money. And I would paint the plastic or clear coat it or something, because I think the plastic is strong enough now, but if it's been out there a few years, you know what happens with plastic? They degrade. Ozone, oxygen, whatever. Anything. Whether it's your tires on your car, whatever the hell it is. Plastic bins, you know. If you put some kind of coating on it to lock the air, the elements from the air from getting at the plastic, it shouldn't degrade as much. You don't have to clear coat it. I would think even just painting it or something. But you want to put some kind of paint on it that's not something super volatile where it can actually affect the plastic. I just use a regular plain double hide clear enamel. You know, it was nothing. It was just a Rust-Oleum can spray stuff. So anyway, that's a wrap. Good little project.